As someone who's spent years helping CTOs unlock millions in waste and prevent multi-million dollar breaches, I can tell you that what I'm about to show you is game-changing. I've just witnessed an AI CTO assistant named Viktor prevent a $4.88 million security breach. Viktor spotted the attack in under 10 minutes and contained it in 47 seconds, compared to the industry norm of weeks or even months to catch sophisticated threats. This demonstration completely changed my understanding of what's possible when AI meets technical leadership. Stay with me to see how Viktor turns $4.88 million of threats into strategic wins in just minutes. Let me walk you through exactly what happened and why every CTO needs to see this. Here's what most CTOs don't realize. When you're dealing with daily fires, there's a ticking time bomb in your system that could cost you millions. Let me walk you through 3 scenarios that happened in real time during this demonstration. Each one shows you exactly why traditional approaches fail and how Viktor, the AI, transforms chaos into strategic advantage. The hidden security threat. It's 9:47 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. Your security team is reviewing yesterday's logs when an attacker starts accessing your customer's database. They're not using brute force or obvious hacking techniques. Instead, they're making legitimate looking API calls that blend perfectly with normal traffic patterns. Your traditional security tools see nothing unusual. The attacker methodically extracts 50,000 customer records, including names, addresses, and payment information over the next 3 hours. Now, here's the problem. Your current security system relies on signature-based detection. It looks for known attack patterns, but this attacker is using zero-day techniques that haven't been cataloged yet. Most teams don't spot these attacks for weeks, sometimes nearly 3 months. But Viktor, the AI, flagged anomalies via behavioral analysis within minutes and executed an automated response to neutralize the incident in just a couple of seconds. Viktor analyzed 10,000 data points per second, tracking API call patterns, data access frequencies, and user behavioral anomalies simultaneously. Instead of waiting for known signatures, Viktor identified the attack through behavioral analysis and immediately contained the threat. The potential $4.88 million breach became a minor security incident that was stopped before any real damage occurred. And that was just a start. Next, we'll look at how legacy code can quietly drain millions. It's Monday morning and your team discovers that a critical payment processing system is running on a 5-year-old infrastructure. The original developers left the company 2 years ago and the documentation is incomplete. Your team needs to update the system because of new compliance requirements. But here's where it gets interesting. When you try to fix one legacy component, 3 other systems break. The payment processor connects to your user authentication system, which connects to your inventory management, which connects to your reporting dashboard. Each connection uses deprecated APIs that were never really properly documented. Viktor's audit found 73% of engineering time tied up in this exact upkeep. So equivalent to almost $10 million per year, and uncovered $3.2 million wasted on duplicate services. Viktor traced vulnerable pathways in real time, mapping every connection and dependency automatically. Instead of your team spending months on detective work, Viktor provided a complete technical debt analysis and remediation plan in minutes. Sarah, one of your senior developers, starts coding at 9 a.m. She's working on a critical feature that's already 2 weeks behind schedule. Throughout the day, she gets pulled into security reviews, production meetings, and code review sessions. By the end of her 8-hour workday, she's written exactly 23 lines of code. Sarah spends only 2.5 hours actually coding in her 8-hour workday. That's 32% coding time, which means 68% of her day is consumed by meetings, reviews, and fixing problems that shouldn't exist. While she's stuck in this productivity death spiral, critical features remain unbuilt and security vulnerabilities multiply. When developers are pulled away, more shortcuts slip in, compounding technical debt and security gaps. Viktor transformed Sarah's productivity from 32% coding time to 70% by automating security reviews, providing instant code analysis, and eliminating the manual debugging process. That's $7 million in revenue unlocked across your entire development team. Here's where these three nightmares compound each other. Technical debt slows developers who can't patch security holes fast enough. Slow developers create more technical debt. Poor security creates compliance issues that require even more developer time. It's a downward spiral that costs companies millions. On one screen, Viktor's conversations flags threats. On another, it maps debt across services. And on the third, you see live ROI stacking up. Instead of fighting fires separately, Viktor addresses root causes across your entire technical operation. The transformation results speak for themselves. Viktor achieves 94% AI accuracy versus 84% human detection across all three areas. Companies like Deutsche Telekom and Repsol turned a $197,000 investment into $5.39 million returns using this integrated approach. So this isn't just about preventing disasters, it's about transforming your entire technical operation into a competitive advantage. The reality is that every CTO will face these exact scenarios. The only variable is timing. These challenges are coming. Will you wait until you face the multi-million-dollar breach or take control right now? Here's your immediate next step. Identify which of these three scenarios, technical debt, developer velocity, or security threats, is costing you the most right now. The window for gaining this kind of strategic advantage is closing fast, and the CTOs who act now will be the ones leading their industries tomorrow. So if you found this to be very insightful and valuable, please hit subscribe and hit the bell, because next time we'll show real-world results from Deutsche Telekom and Repsol in under 5 minutes.